Hi, I'm Susan, and here we go, another year. This is for the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 1, and I promise you 52 will be here before you know it. So we have, for this week, we've got something associated with water. I've got snow, a portion of a poem or song you enjoy, and I've got in the meadow we can build a snowman. We'll pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, "Are you married?" We'll say, "No, ma'am, but you can do the job when you're in town." And pattern paper. I've got the pattern around here. I've got the pattern around this next prompt, and I've got pattern paper laid down in the background. And something usually kept cold. I've got my snowman, a light shade of blue, my background, and I've got these numbers. And the bonus is an unusual symbol or shape. And I have got this Vine Rune symbol for health, because I wish all of you health in the new year, as well as myself and my family. My family hasn't been feeling too good so far. I'm thankful it's bypassed me, but I would take it from them if I could. So, without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope all of you are having a great day, and I hope you're all feeling well. I have been so busy, it seems, here lately, and I just feel like I am spinning my wheels. I've been trying to clean up my craft area. My sweet sons went in together and got me a new desk, and it's a big L-shaped desk. So I'm trying to make room for everything. Everything's been so cluttered, and I don't have much craft space, but I got lots of crafts, so it's kind of a hard thing to deal with sometimes. So I'm just trying to organize stuff where I can get my hands on it. And as much as I love crafting, I know I would love it a whole lot more if I could just get to what I want, be able to find it quickly, and not just be jumbled up everywhere. But I've been working on it, but it's been a very slow process. Okay, let's see where we're gonna put these down at. This one was kind of hard for me, because a lot of the things, like you had your poem and your pattern paper and your snow and your snowman. There was a lot of things that were the same, and I just wasn't sure how to get around that. So I'm just going to have fun with this one. Try to make it look as pretty as I can, and just enjoy the process. Sometimes with some of these prompts, that's just about all you can do. I wish all of mine were masterpieces, but that doesn't usually happen too often. Alright, and I think I'm just going to add my numbers down here. There's really no rhyme or reason to this. I wished I had a little man to help her build the snowman that they could name Parson Brown, but I don't have a little man. Okay, now, see, I've got everything down. And I have got my something associated with water, snow, portion of a poem or song I enjoy. I got my pattern paper, something usually kept cold, the snowman. I've got my light shades of blue, and I've got my unusual symbol or shape. So now I'm just going to play with this and embellish it. So I thought I would do some more snowflakes in some of these, just to bring a little bit more interest. And I thought I would also add just a few stickers. I got a happy planner, and I got sticker books, and I have thrifted a couple of the happy planner sticker books a while back. So these kind of look like they're not blooming. You know, you see the flowers, of course, outlined, but it looks like the winter, winter has gotten them. So I thought that they would still be pretty with the gold look in them. Let's see here. Just add a few. I just think they're pretty. I don't know, I'm like a kid when it comes to stickers. I just love wonderful new stickers. Okay, and I'm gonna go back to this. Let's see, I'm gonna try the thicker one, see if it'll do better. I don't know what it is about my white Posca pens. It seems like they absorb into the paper. And this year I didn't make my Margarete Miller book. The first year I did this, I just used an old planner that, you know, that was way out of date, and that's pretty much what I'm doing this time. I had this one, I didn't use it much, so I just put down the paper. It's a good way to use up some of these old things that I don't know what to do with, but don't want to throw away because the cover is beautiful. So I don't want to throw that away. So last year I didn't even use a planner, and I miss it. It kind of keeps me on task. So for Christmas, my husband got me a happy planner that I had picked out, and I think I'm going to really like it. But I am trying to get everything so organized, and it's not been easy. Okay, I like the way that's looking. All right. Now, I think I'm just going to do some dots. If nothing else, this will look pretty. Oops. I've still got to make my journal for the junk journal January. Boy, my mind's gone. Okay. And now, instead of gold splatters, I'm just going to add a few gold dots. That kind of looks along the same color of, may not be as random, but I like it. Maybe I'll go with 3 dots also. Alright, I like how that looks. It's simple, but my prompts are met, and I think it's pretty. Maybe next week it'll be a little bit easier to know what to do. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2024CW1. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Have a great and wonderful year. Happy New Year. I love you. Bye, y'all.